I grew up in Davis, California. Went to a Spanish immersion school where we only spoke Spanish when I was a kid. I wanted to be able to fix things, and I was always curious what made them tick. So mechanical engineering seemed like the place to be. I was always very into sports. I actually left school for a bit and was playing in Canada for a while. So I played for the Powell River Kings in the British Columbia Hockey League. Came back and I was able to take a class at Davis and doing a lot of research. I ended up finishing my undergrad there, staying and doing a master's. A lot of that hands-on stuff is actually what got me into grad school at MIT, where I was studying batteries for next generation mobility solutions. So I think hockey, oddly enough, did play quite a bit of a role with that initial connection with UC Davis. I coached at Davis. I think a lot of the preparation and planning and work ethic you get from trying to do things in sports. Really enjoyed natural sciences or fundamental sciences with chemistry and even physics. I feel like mechanical engineering is a good home. It's a nice place that allows you to be very interdisciplinary. I knew I wanted to teach. It's kind of fun to be at Cal State LA, where part of our mission is to really promote diversity in our field. My favorite club that I advise, the Golden Eagle Makers, and so they'll go out to different community partners and figure out what their needs are. One of the things that I'm most proud of is being one of the people who helped to grow our makerspace. We've been working with our new dean, Nancy Ward-Perez, to create this new space for students really to kind of create community. It's great because I feel like it really catalyzes a lot of other activities in the college. I look forward to the classes. You go in and it's different every day. And so we had a couple projects working with the local animal shelter. They have a section of the shelter for dogs with fear and anxiety and stress. They actually don't have any place to hide in there. And so we build these little shelters with a Golden Eagle Makers logo and the LA Animal Services logo on there. So I ended up getting a dog from that very same shelter. It's funny how so much of your life can now get intertwined with the little projects on campus. It's a challenge for our students. There can be a lot of stress. It's really forces us to focus on critical thinking skills, being compassionate and sticking with your values. I taught at MIT when I was there, and here it's just how busy our students are just with responsibilities outside of school. They'll take a lot on their shoulders. What surprises me about Cal State LA, very caring individuals, compassionate for each other.